Well, hello, everybody. Thank you, Speaker Pelosi, for bringing us together today, for moving so quickly to bring our bill, the Right to Contraception Act, to the floor, and for your unwavering leadership in this post-Roe moment. And thank you to my friend, Congresswoman Manning, for her leadership on this issue, to Congresswoman Williams and Craig and Underwood for working with us on this. As a young woman, reproductive health care is my health care. So I know personally that if, when, and how to grow a family are decisions that are personal and private and should never be decided by the Supreme Court or even by Congress. I've lived my entire life with the constitutional right to contraception, and it's a right I've exercised for decades. Whether it was the birth control pills I used when I was a teenager to address debilitating cramps, the IUD I've relied on for years, or the Plan B I've used at times that was thankfully available over the counter when I needed it. I was recently told that I'm the first member of Congress to talk about my period on the House floor in the last 35 years and maybe ever. Thank you, but honestly, we should be talking about our periods, and we should be talking about our birth control, and we should be talking about the health care that millions of Americans need for their everyday lives. Because this is not a side issue that only affects some of us. This is a kitchen table issue, as the speaker said. And these threats from Justice Thomas and the Supreme Court are not abstract, not for me and for the tens of millions of Americans who rely on contraception every single day. And they aren't hypothetical. We can't wait for things that once seemed unthinkable to happen to act. We have to act now, and we are. Because the post-Roe era is not going to look like the pre-Roe era. We have more tools at our disposal now, but so do they. That's why, under Speaker Pelosi's leadership, we're moving swiftly to protect all of our rights that are under attack. The right to an abortion, to privacy, to travel, to marry who you love, to not have your digital footprint used against you, and the right to contraception. We will never stop fighting because the stakes are too high and they're too personal. And I'm looking forward to working with my colleagues to get the Right to Contraception Act passed tomorrow. Thank you very much. And with that, I'll pass to Representative Angie Craig.